I used to spend hours tweaking each slide to maintain consistent branding across the presentations. It is really exhausting. But then I discovered something that changed everything. I will reveal this secret in just a moment, so don't go anywhere. First, let's locate the theme builder. Open your Google Slides presentation, click on Slide in the top menu, and then select Edit Theme. This is where the magic happens. It is Google Slides Theme Builder. Here you can create themes with pre-designed sets of layouts, fonts, colors, and background styles that you can apply to your presentations. They help maintain a consistent and professional look throughout your slides while saving a lot of time. In this video, you will learn what is a theme slide, where we will discuss things like how to design a title text, design a body text, insert logos, and how to set colors for theme. Then you will learn about layouts, how to use and how to create layouts. Finally, you will learn how to use the theme in other presentations. This top slide is called the theme slide, and the slides below it are layouts. The design of the theme slide and its elements, like the title text or body text, will act as the default setting for your presentation. Anything you change here will apply to all your slides, including the layouts. For example, if you change the background of the theme slide or change the design of its title text or design of the body text, it will be applied to all slides and to every title or body text used in the layouts or in the presentation. However, you can still customize the individual layouts and elements to override the default settings inherited from the theme section. Like, I can change the background in this layout or change the style of this title text. The other thing that we can do in the theme section is add some text or images or lines or shapes that cannot be removed in any slide or layout. For example, add this shape and reduce its opacity, or insert your company logo, or add some important text. Then go to other layouts and you can check that it cannot be removed. Before talking about the layouts, I want to show you something in the slide editor. So close the theme builder and add a shape or text. Now, when I want to change its color, you can see some default colors available here. When you want to maintain branding, it becomes hard to copy and use your colors in every new slide. So in Theme Builder, you can open colors, you can customize each and every color and build your color palette. When you change them here, you can have your color palette readily accessible in the slide editor. Now let us talk about layouts. Layouts are a set of pre-designed slides that are made to serve a specific purpose. For example, you can have a layout for a title slide where you will be having a specific background, specific design for the title text, and you can use this layout whenever you are going to introduce a new topic within your slideshow. And you can also use this for a variety of styles. Maybe you have a specific design to show text in two columns. Maybe you have a specific design to show the images. You can create layouts for that and you can use them easily by accessing it here with the help of this small drop down on the left hand side beside this add button. You can also create a layout for your specific purpose. Like, for example, if you are an instructor or a teacher and you often create quizzes in your presentations, then you can create a layout for that and use it again and again. Let me show you how to do that. To create a new layout, right click in this layout section and click new layout. The design of the new layout will be related to the design of the theme slide. For a quiz, we need a text for adding a question, and then we should be able to show three options, and the three options will also be having text. So first of all, let me explain how to add customizable text. In the toolbar, you can see a small drop down beside this text box icon. When you click it, you can see title placeholder, subtitle placeholder, and body text placeholder. The placeholder basically adds a customizable text box which we can edit in the slide editor. So add a title placeholder. Next, for options, let us add a rounded rectangle shape. I will duplicate it for three options. Then we need to be able to add text for these options. So let us add body text placeholder and duplicate it and resize it to fit in the shape. So when I go to the site builder and when I add this quiz layout, you can see how we can add a new question and options here. So this is how you can make the process of creating slides much better. So now we have our own customized theme. We have our own color palette for our theme, and we want to use it again and again. All we need to do is just go to slides in the menu and click change theme. And then down there, you can see import theme. When you click import theme, you will be able to see all the presentations that you have created. So just give it a good name so that you can identify it easily and you can reuse this particular slide as a theme anytime. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.